Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna hope to show you how to take a nice big nail like this and hammer it through a small piece of wood like this without splitting it. So the thought here is, if you have a big nail like this and you want to nail the edge of it to something, what usually happens is there you go. It's split. That's going to split. So the trick to that is take your nail, and before you hammer it into the piece of wood, you put it down and just tap the edge of the nail with your hammer, just like that. And the thought is that now this nail, instead of splitting the wood with a point, it's going to push the wood through. That's the thought anyways. So we'll hammer it in the same place. All the way through. And there you go. No split. In comparison to this. So actually I can't even break that. So it is a nice little precaution when you're nailing small pieces of wood with big nails. Even small nails tend to split wood like this. So hopefully that helped you out.